Hi guys, so on this video what you're going to see is me complete these division problems using the digit by digit method. So this is the method that's taped to the corner of your desk, all right, and we're going to use the following steps. We're going to use division, multiplication, subtraction, so does Miss Servati cook stands for check, and B, bring down burgers. So divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. All right, so just like Mrs. Forrest's videos, I want you to check your work as you complete it and make sure that you're right and go back and fix any mistakes that you made. But remember, if you miss one, just give the number of the question a circle. That way I know which ones you missed. All right, let's get started. So 965 divided by 5. So I'm going to start at the first step, which is divide, and I'm going to look at my first digit, which is 9. So 9 divided by 5. How many times does 5 fit into 9? Fits in one time. So I just did some division, so that is part of my quotient. It goes up top. Second step is to multiply. So I'm going to take 1, multiply it by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Careful to line that up right underneath the 9 because that's the digit that I'm working with right now. Third step is to subtract. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Now I'm going to check, is 4 less than my divisor of 5? Yes, it is. So I can move on to my final step, which is bring down, and I'm going to bring down my 6. Now I start the process all over again. I'm starting back up at the top with divide. And I'm taking 46 divided by 5. How many times does 5 fit inside of 46 without going over? Well, if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, that's 9 times. I'm going to put my 9 up top. Second step again is to multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. When I multiply, I put my product below and add my subtraction sign. 46 take away 45 is 1. Fourth step is to check. 1 is less than 5, so I can move on to bring down. I have one digit left to bring down, which is the 5. And now I start my process over. If I look up top, I only have one more space to fill with a number, so I know I'm going to have to go through my list just one more time. So dividing again, 15 divided by 5. How many times does 5 fit inside of 15? 5, 10, 15. So 3 times. Second step is to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Third step is to subtract. I get 0. Now I'm still in the middle of my process here. 0 is less than 5, so I just checked that. I can move to bring down, but I have no more digits in my dividend to bring down. So that means I'm done with the problem, and 0 is my remainder. My quotient is 193, or 193 remainder 0.